This is it. Welcome to Sanitizer Awards 2021, where I take a look at all the sanitizers that I have been using for past 1 year, and I'll tell you which is the best sanitizer that you can buy right now. I'm your host Prajwal Mukherjee, and let's get this video started. Firstly, I would like to give you some points before starting this video because I know most of you people will not watch this video till the end. Firstly, it is for the sanitizer companies. I would request all the sanitizer companies not to add any flavors or fragrances to their product because it causes lot of irritativeness, at least for me, and it causes headache. And this is one of the main reasons why people don't use sanitizers much often. The second pointer is regarding buying a sanitizer. If you are confused about which sanitizer you should buy, then definitely you should watch this video till the end, or a much more simpler method would be to buy a sanitizer that has less ingredients. Coming to the ingredients, there are two types of ingredients that are basically used in the sanitizers. Some sanitizers use ethyl alcohol and some sanitizers use isopropyl alcohol. I'll clearly show in the video which product uses ethyl alcohol and which product uses isopropyl alcohol. But coming to difference between these two products, many people are not aware what's the major difference. So the major difference is that ethyl alcohol is cheaper and it is usually the alcohol that is present in all the alcohol drinks that we drink. So it evaporates very quickly, but it dehydrates the skin as well and irritates a lot. Coming to isopropyl alcohol, it is the rubbing alcohol that is used in disinfectants and other things commonly. So isopropyl alcohol would be a much better choice because it evaporates faster and doesn't give you that skin irritativeness. And the last point is that I'm not considering any Ayurvedic product that comes with the goodness of haldi, chandan or anything, because this is just a sanitizer and not a fairness cream. And usually these Ayurvedic products are very costly when compared to normal products, and it does not give any added benefit over the normal product. So that point is out of the way. Let's start this video by reviewing product one by one. At any point, if you don't want to watch the full video and want to check any particular product that you are about to buy, then I have given the timestamps in the description, so you can directly skip to that product. So the first sanitizer on the list is from a company called as Biopharma, and it's the Biopharma Safe Hands Instant Hand Sanitizer with lemon flavor. And this was actually the first sanitizer that I bought from the local chemist, and for a 50 ml bottle it almost costed 110 rupees, which was just a daylight robbery. And as you can see, it didn't have even 70% alcohol, it had only 62% ethyl alcohol. So let's put it to our hand and have a test now. So most of these products I have used for more than a year, so I clearly know how this one performs, but just for the video I am putting it into my hand and showing it again. So this is how the sanitizer looks like, and I'll just spread it in my hand. So as you can see, it will start evaporating quickly, but it doesn't have much alcohol content, as I can clearly feel that there is no cooling effect, and also it gives a very bad lemon smell. So definitely I will not recommend this product for 110 rupees. So the second product on the list is from a company called as the Man Company, and this was the first product that I was able to order online from their website, and I actually got a 50% discount, which makes this entire bottle cost 50 rupees, and it has got 70% ethyl alcohol, as you can see. So I'll just open the bottle and put it in my hand and show it to you. So I had been using this sanitizer for over a month before I got my next sanitizer. So this was actually a very good sanitizer. It didn't have any pungent smell or anything like that. And as you can see, it spreads very well and evaporates quickly. So while evaporating, it also gave me that cooling effect, and I also did flaming test on all the sanitizers that I showed you, based on which I am telling the alcohol levels, but I cannot show this in the video because it's very negligible and you will not be able to make it out. So from my regular usage, I can confidently say that this is a very good sanitizer. It has that cooling effect when you put in your hand. It doesn't irritate your skin a lot, and also it doesn't have any pungent or any smell. This is one of the cleanest sanitizers you will get in this entire list. And for a price of 25 rupees, which I got this bottle, it's a bargain, and if you can get this at the same price, then this is definitely one of the best sanitizers that you can carry, and it is pocket friendly too. So since we are accepting this sanitizer, I'll keep it in front of you. So the next sanitizer on the list is from a company called as Mirabelle, and this was one of the first sanitizers that was available easily to purchase from Amazon, and it contains 72% isopropyl alcohol, and this was actually the first sanitizer which I could get hands on, which had isopropyl alcohol instead of ethyl alcohol. And on Amazon I could buy this for 25 rupees, which is the same price as this product. So I had been using this product for over 2 to 3 months because I have the bigger version of this product as well, which I'll show in a while. So I'll just put it to my hand, and actually from the usage I really feel that this is also as good as the other sanitizer that we were using. So it spreads very easily on the hand, So as you can see, it almost evaporated and it has got a very minimal rose smell. And I really like this product. It doesn't have any pungent smell. It evaporates quickly. It gives the cooling effect. On my flame test, it perfectly gave the flame. And this is also one of the products that I highly recommend for 25 rupees. So I'll keep it here. Since I like the small product that I brought from the company Mirabelle, I decided to buy a bigger product, and this one costed somewhere around 199 rupees for a 500 ml bottle. And as you can see, I have almost used this completely because this is a very good product. I had been using this product for over 5 to 6 months. And this also is similar to that product. So if I put a little bit of product on my hand and if I rub it, you will get the same cooling effect. This has the same characteristics as the small product, and I would highly recommend this product if someone wants to keep the sanitizer in their home for home use. Also, you get this sanitizer in a 2-liter can, 5-liter can as well as 10-liter can. So this is really useful if you are having some ceremonies or functions in your home, which you shouldn't be doing at this time, but in case you wanted to really have it or you want to have a small get together, then the big cans would really be helpful from this company. So I am accepting this, so I'll keep it here. So the next product on the list is from a company called as Gainda, and it's the Gainda hand sanitizer, and it says it has 2x sanitizing strength, and for a 250 ml bottle it only costed me 68 rupees, which is almost like half the price of this product. So I really wanted to test this product out, so I bought it from Amazon for around 68 rupees. But I really did not like this product. First of all, this product doesn't have any alcohol properties, I feel. So as you can see, I just feel like pouring a water on my hands. Maybe it has only 40 to 50%, but definitely it doesn't have 70% of the alcohol content. So it spreads like water in my hand and doesn't get evaporated at all. And while spreading, it gives a very pungent agarbatti smell. I don't know why they wanted to add the agarbatti chemical flavor. So coming to this product, this is one of the worst products that I bought from Amazon, and I would not recommend anyone to use this product because it doesn't have any sanitizing benefits. Since I paid money and I bought it, I'm using it to sanitize chairs, tables and other areas. And definitely I'm not using on my hand, and I really hate that pungent agarbatti smell. So this is a no for me. So the next product on the list is from a company called as Sara, and it's the Sara Hand Safe Hand Sanitizer. And the only reason why I bought this sanitizer is because it was available on Amazon only for 15 rupees per packet. And it contains 70% isopropyl alcohol as they have mentioned. And for a 100 ml packet, I think it's really worth the money if it has any good quality, but I couldn't use it. I gave some of this to my workers. So this is the first time I'm trying this product along with you, so I'll just tear this product from here. I'm gonna add a small droplet of sanitizer to my hand and let's see. I'm very biased on this product. I feel this is not a sanitizer at all because it did not give me any cooling effect on my hand. But the good part about this sanitizer is that it doesn't have any flavors as well. So I just feel like it's some glycerin, that's all, and it doesn't have any alcohol, so that's why it's so cheap online. So I would not recommend anyone to buy this product and stay away from these cheap products. So the next product on the list is from a company called as Lifebuoy, and most people might be aware. This was the only company that was making sanitizer before the coronavirus came. So I know they have been hit very hardly from the business. And as I remember, for 50 ml packet they used to charge somewhere around 100 to 110 rupees. But after so many companies coming in and competing, this price dropped to almost 200 rupees for 500 ml bottle, which is really a bargain for Lifebuoy product. And as you can see, it contains ethyl alcohol, that is 70%, so which is really great. And I had been using this as my regular hand sanitizer since December last year. So you also get this lock mechanism, which I really like, so that you will not have any accidental presses. It is a very good product for 200 rupees, and it also has that cooling effect as well as it evaporates very quickly. But for two reasons I would not recommend this product. The first reason is that it has got a very strong perfume or smell. So if you are against the perfume or smell, then this is not the product you should go for. Also, there are great products that doesn't have any perfume or smell and gives the same effect. And the other thing is that it still uses ethyl alcohol instead of isopropyl alcohol, as ethyl alcohol is cheaper. And for the same price you can get products that use isopropyl alcohol. So for those two reasons, I will not be recommending this product, but if anyone wants to buy this product, definitely they can buy if they can tolerate that perfume smell. Seeing so many companies just jumped into the sanitizer business and making a profit, how could Flipkart stay out of it, right? So Flipkart made their own sanitizer called as the Flipkart Smart Buy Health Plus Hand Sanitizer, and as you can see, it contains, I think maybe I have to zoom in. So if I zoom in, you can clearly see that it contains 70% isopropyl alcohol. So I'll put it in my hand to show it to you how the product looks like. So this hand sanitizer by Flipkart is actually a very good product, and it has all the cooling effects as well as all the properties that a good hand sanitizer should have. For a 100 ml bottle, it only costs 30 rupees, which is like a bargain for a Flipkart product. But I would not recommend this product to everyone because of only one reason, the same reason as Lifebuoy hand sanitizer. It has got very strong perfume and it goes into your nose like a fume, and I really don't like that. So for that reason, I will not be recommending this product to everyone. But it's same to Lifebuoy. If you can tolerate the perfume, then this as well as Lifebuoy will be a very good product. But it is a small no for me. And the last product that we have on the list is from a company called as Solimo, and as most people are already aware of, this is Amazon's own brand. And how can Amazon stay out of competition when everyone is profiting out of this pandemic, right? So this is a Solimo hand sanitizer gel, and as you can see, for a 500 ml hand sanitizer, it costs somewhere around 200 rupees for me. It also has got the isopropyl alcohol, but it has the highest concentration, that is the 75%. And I also like that it too has this locking mechanism and it is very robustly built. So I'll just put it into my hand. So as you can see, it spreads very well in my hand. Also it gives a lot of cooling effect. They say it comes with the goodness of aloe vera and tea tree oil, but I'll not believe that. So for 199 rupees for a 500 ml bottle, this is actually a very good sanitizer. It doesn't have very high pungent smell or perfume like the other sanitizers. Yes, it has perfumes, but at the tolerable limit. It doesn't have very high perfume. Also, the evaporation is very good. It has one of the highest quantity of isopropyl alcohol, and I would highly recommend this product for everyone who wants to buy a good sanitizer for your home. So after testing various sanitizers based on various parameters as I showed in the video, like the smell, the evaporation, the content these sanitizers have, these were the 4 sanitizers that came as the finalists. So which sanitizers would I pick? Well, I would give you a suggestion before picking a sanitizer. So if suppose you want a sanitizer that doesn't have any perfume smell, which has the appropriate alcohol content, that does not irritate your skin, then this is the sanitizer you should go for, because this is really portable and this is the sanitizer that you should be carrying with yourself. Also to mention, this should be the second sanitizer that you should consider if you are not getting this sanitizer, because this has all the properties as this sanitizer. The only reason I am suggesting this as a second sanitizer is because I bought this sanitizer somewhere in March when lockdown started, and at that time it was of very high quality, but I read some negative reviews. That's the only reason why I am suggesting this as a second sanitizer. So if you wanted to buy a bigger quantity sanitizer that everyone uses or for your household, then I would highly recommend this sanitizer over all the sanitizers. The only reason is that it has got all the good benefits as the other sanitizers, minus it doesn't have that bad pungent smell when you put on your hand, which is a big plus for me. So yeah, this is the sanitizer that you should be buying for your home. And for everyone else who wanted to save some money and buy huge quantity of sanitizers like 2 liter, 5 liter or 10 liter, you could go for Mirabella, as this is a very good sanitizer. It also doesn't have very pungent smell, and they also give you a good offer online and you can get it at a bargain price. So if I had to pick a overall winner out of all these sanitizers, I would still go to the Man Company hand sanitizers, because it doesn't have any negative in my eyes and this is a really good sanitizer. And if you are able to get this sanitizer, just go ahead and buy it. So the buying links for all the sanitizers that I mentioned in the video are given in the description. So if you are planning to buy any sanitizer based on this video suggestion, please consider buying from the link. That way you will support our channel. And so if you like the effort that I have put in between the pandemic to make this video, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And if you can't stay at home during these times, then please wear a mask while stepping out and use a hand sanitizer adequately. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.